If you need to replace the tail light in your Kawasaki Mule, you're going to see that the original lights are very expensive. So I'm going to show you in this video how to install a set of trailer lights, waterproof, LED, really inexpensive. I think I paid for these lights less than $25.
When I got the Kawasaki Mule, the tail lights were broken, and these reflectors cost $21 each one. So for $13 I was able to buy these two tail lights. These are watertight, used on trailers, and the only difference is that the hole patterns to mount them is slightly different. This one is a little bit closer, so I'm going to modify this bracket so I can install this tail light on the brackets. So what I'm going to do is weld this right here and re-drill these holes to the right distance so it fits the distance between these bolts. So I learned the hard way not wearing proper PPE on my eyes, so that's why every time I'm grinding, filing, or doing anything like that, I wear this full-size goggle. Way better.
Sandblasting and welding.
And this is how the final bracket looks like before it's painted. So I still need to drill 2 holes and open up a notch for the cable to pass through. Good, we're winning. So I'm working here on the cable, making a new harness, just putting connectors so I can connect this light to the original harness. This side is already done. But you can see that they have different color codes. So both lights have brown and white, and then they have green, and the other one has yellow. White is ground, brown is a standard normal light, and then the different light, the different cable, the green and the yellow, these are the brake lights. So this is how they look like. The white is ground, brown in both lights are just a regular light, and then the yellow or the green, they are the brake light. So I'm using this type of connector, which is waterproof, and in order to use it you need like a crimper like this one. This is the connector in the back of the Mule. This is part of the harness. So the yellow and black is ground, red is 12 volt, and blue is the brake light. So this is the way the bracket came out. It's not pretty, but functional. It will get the job done. I installed the grommet and this washer from the piece that I cut out, and now I can install it on the, just like so. All right, this one is pretty much done. I'm going to put these grommets in, so the cable is, or the connector is completely watertight. All right, so now I can connect it. I don't know if you ever use one of these connectors, but it's very simple. You have to just try a few times. Put them like this. Then insert the cable and tight. Just like that. But you definitely need to try a few times, because you have to find out if it goes like this or this connector goes like that. There is a small recess right there. Let me see if I can show you. This thing focus right there. Yeah, so the big part goes in the deeper groove. Just like this. And then I like to pull forward a little bit. That's it. just like that. Get another cable inside the connector, passing more or less like that. Boom. I forgot to put the rubber thingies, but you can put them over the connector because they are very stretchy. I think they're made of silicone. Just like that. Alright, let me do a test run and see if it's working. 12 volts, fine. Brake not working. Probably I need to adjust the tension on the spring. Let me see. Yes. Boom. Okay, next I'm going to install the tail light. It looks almost like the OEM. Look at this, it looks amazing. And as you can see, it has lights in both sides, in this one and in this one.